Hello, welcome. Question 15, BECE 2025. We are to expand and simplify the expression 2 into bracket 3a plus 1 minus 3 into bracket 4a minus 3. Expand, meaning we are using the term outside to multiply the term within the bracket. So 2 times 3a will give you 6a. 2 times 1, that will give you 2. This is minus 3 times positive 4a minus 12a minus 3 times minus 3 positive what? 9. This is 9. The a's will be a lot shorter. So now we can group like terms, as in 6a is having a common factor with the 12. So we have 12a. Remember, there is no equal sign, so no change of the sign of the 12. Then this become 2, this become what? 9. Okay. Now, this is 6a minus 12a. Let's take the a as branding. Let's say like apple. So 6 apple minus 12 apple. You can see you will not get enough apple to subtract the 6 from. So after taking the 6, the remaining 6 will be in depth, which will be negative. So I'll be having negative 6a. Then I still have 2 plus 9, which is going to be 11. But remember, this can also be rearranged, as in 11 coming first before minus what? 6a. This will be the final answer. Don't forget, this plus will not come here. The plus is for positive 11. So we can write 11 without the sign, showing it's positive. So this is going to be option what? B. Very simple, right?